This is the 4th of July, and this is Melissa Grace. She is 2.5 years old now. She is my rock star. Check her out with her. She's so cool. Aren't you so cool? Sissy? Okay. Look over here. Nathaniel is Sissy.
Sophie's following us.
Sissy. His name is Nathaniel. He is not your Sissy. He's Nathaniel. He's your brother. Lacey always likes to call him Sissy for some reason. Do I need to get out, baby?
No.
So, say hey, Nathaniel.
Hi.
Hi.
They're going to get hurt.
I a rock boy.
You're a rock star too? How old are you?
I'm 4.
You're 4? That's a good age. So where are we going?
A fireworks.
We're gonna go see the fireworks.
Yeah.
At least we hope we're going to go see the fireworks because
Mama.
it rained earlier.
Mama.
Yes, Lissy.
Sissy.
Yeah, you see yourself? Yeah, Lissy. That's you.
Hi. Hello.
Nathaniel.
Sissy. Told me Nathaniel. Sissy.
Yeah, good job.
You.
Yeah. They are loving the camera.
Mama. Mama.
Yep, Mama. This is Mama. And there's Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Okay, bye. Okay, we're sitting here waiting on the fireworks. Hey, Lizzie. Oh, no.
You know, I went back and looked at that photo I took. I knew I'd squared up on them kids right. And it wasn't my fault.
Nathaniel.
It was the
Say hi.
Hi.
phone.
Hi.
Hi.
And there's Taylor. It's our cousin Taylor.
Like right there, you see how it's got her cut off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, that ain't right.
Oh.
Right back.
Hey, Melissa. Huh?
Cakes.
Hey.
What cakes?
Uh-oh. You want to see yourself?
Pepper.
Yeah.
Me too. I want one.
Here we go.
Hey. You want Sandra.
See, I knew I took it right.
No,
That's
that's
They
Mountain
put a
Dew.
landscape lens on a...
I got Dr.
So,
Pepper.
are y'all excited about seeing the fireworks?
Here.
Is it
There they are.
But it doesn't cut this.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, I see a little something.
So it's right justified.
Cool.
What it is.
Very cool. So excited, right? Joey's so cool. Hey, don't pick your nose. No, me. So funny. Ah, don't pick your nose. Don't pick your nose. It's not funny. No. No. Ew, yeah. Ew.
And no
Fireworks.
Pretty.
pretty. Come here, Taylor.
Hey, you guys, come over here and get on the blanket, please. There's our cars moving. Nathaniel, come sit down on the blanket, please. Well, you can stand. It's okay, you can stand, but there are cars moving. I'm gonna sit down too. There we go. I'm gonna sit down too.
I'm ready.
Hey, up, look up. Pretty, look, Lissy. So pretty.
That's so wonderful, Nathaniel. I should tell my mama. Look up there. Colin.
Yeah, talk to Bean.
Oh, don't touch my my eye. That's not nice.
Look, fireworks. You see them? Look, fireworks.
I see the fireworks.
May I see? May I see? Wow, pretty. May I see? Lala! Lala! Down! That, Lala. Let's go. And that. I want it.
I know, I'm sorry.
Sit down. Sit.
Sit down. Watch the fireworks.
Are you going to behave? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Actually, that's about the only thing we're really working on right now. Hey. No wiggling or you'll get down.
Yeah, that's what I told her too when I told her. No wiggling.
Look,
Do I have your
Lissy.
attention?
Watch, Lissy.
Quit hurting my neck or get down. Okay, you're getting down. Quit jumping. I am not some kind of ride. You hurt my neck when you wiggle. You know that, right?
Oh, put her down. That's the
That's the consequences.
Talk about involuntary muscle contractions.
Get down.
Are you going to sit on the blanket?
Don't climb on Uncle Billy.
No, Nathaniel, we're not sitting on the car. We're just leaning against the car. Our legs are longer. See, I'm not sitting on the car. I'm leaning.
Our feet are on the ground.
You want to sit on the blanket with Nathaniel?
That's so awesome! Wow, cool!
Good people come here.
I didn't know how to tell service. That's my head.
I see those
Anyway.
fireworks in
There, but I was embarrassed to go back.
Fireworks!
Back to the church.
Fireworks! Fireworks!
You gotta remember, the whole reason I started going there was close.
Fireworks!
Me, I'm
Fireworks!
stick to the basics. You got the Ten Commandments, you got God, Jesus, Holy Ghost, the rest of it. Stick to the basics. But I can prove those 4 things, most definitely. Okay, you're coming down. Then quit hurting me. Well, my chiropractor says I have a heavy saddle. Whose neck are you hurting? You ready to sit them down?
Okay, I'll take it. Thank you.
I say we sit them both down right there.
No! I want Daddy too!
Daniel's not bouncing.
Would it?
Stop
Stop it. Let go. Let go of me. Let go of me. You're not being